What's the meaning of boastful? Boastful. Boastful.
Boastful. Boastful. The word boastful is an adjective that describes someone who frequently brags or boasts about their achievements, possessions, or abilities with excessive pride and self-satisfaction. A boastful person often seeks attention and admiration from others through their bragging behavior. They tend to exaggerate their accomplishments, make false claims, and belittle others in order to elevate themselves. This behavior is often viewed negatively by others, as it can come across as arrogant, conceited, and insincere. Therefore, it is important to practice humility and modesty in one's words and actions, and to focus on personal growth and development rather than seeking validation from others through boasting.